Is your Snickers bar a sugar bomb? Uncover the mind-blowing secrets behind this iconic candy in an exclusive factory tour. With 27 grams of sugar and a global obsession, you won't believe what goes into every bite. Hit subscribe and let's dive into the sweet madness. Welcome to the world of Snickers. Packed with 27 grams of sugar, about the same as a can of Coke, and 4.5 grams of saturated fat. Some call it a sugar bomb. Launched in 1930 by Frank Mars, Snickers blends peanut butter nougat, crunchy Virginia peanuts, creamy caramel, and rich milk chocolate. Named after the Mars family's favorite racehorse, it became a global hit post-World War II. Ready to see how it's made? Mars churns out over 5 billion Snickers bars yearly at its Waco, Texas factory, making 65% of US supply. Let's explore the high-speed, high-precision process. It all starts with 100 tons of premium cocoa beans processed daily, roasted at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. They release oils and deepen in flavor, creating that signature chocolatey kick. Post-roasting, the beans are shelled, keeping the edible nibs. These nibs are ground into fine cocoa powder, melting into a chocolate liquor as cocoa butter blends with solids. Mixed with sugar and powdered milk in giant blenders, it becomes a smooth, thick base. More cocoa butter and lecithin are added for silky texture. The chocolate undergoes tempering, a heating-cooling process that ensures a glossy finish and melt-in-your-mouth feel. Meanwhile, 2,000 pounds of peanuts are roasted daily at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, spun for even flavor. Fun fact, Mars uses BHT, a preservative, to extend shelf life, but it sparked health debates. Is it necessary? Comment below. Caramel time! In massive 500-pound vacuum kettles, corn syrup, butter, condensed milk, sugar and salt are cooked at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, creating a sticky, golden layer. The nougat, Snickers fluffy core, is made from corn syrup, sugar, water, and egg whites, heated to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, whipped for airiness, and flavored with peanut butter. It's cooled to 24 degrees Fahrenheit to set. Assembly begins. Nougat is spread out, topped with caramel and roasted peanuts, then chilled at 65 degrees Fahrenheit to lock in the filling. The bars pass through a chocolate enrober, coated in that tempered milk chocolate. A final chill at 24 degrees Fahrenheit sets the chocolate for a perfect smooth finish. Packaging is next. Machines wrap up to 1,000 bars per minute in Snickers' iconic wrappers, sealed for freshness. Each bar is checked for weight and quality to meet strict standards. With 15 million bars made daily, Snickers raked in $45 billion in 2023. Talk about a global craze. So, is Snickers really a sugar bomb? It's high in sugar and fat, but gives a quick energy boost. Moderation is key, as overindulging isn't healthy. Whether you love it or question it, Snickers' mix of tech and flavor keeps fans hooked worldwide. Thanks for joining this epic Snickers factory tour. Blown away by the secrets we uncovered? Smash that like button, share with friends, and comment. What's your favorite Snickers moment? Subscribe for more awesome factory adventures.